안녕하세요, 여러분. 오늘은 저희가 친구들한테 책을 읽어드릴 거예요. 재밌게 봐주면 좋겠고요. 구독, 알림 설정은 필수예요. 그럼 고! 자, 오늘은 우드패커라는 책을 읽을 거예요. 자, 그러면 페이지를 한번 보겠습니다. 오, 나는 모습 귀여워. There are more than 200 kinds of woodpecker. They are famous for hammering trees. This hammering makes a drumming sound. It's let people know woodpecker are near. Some woodpecker are black and white. Others are brown and white. Male have red or yellow feather on their head. Woodpecker have stiff tail feather. This helps them perch on trees. Woodpecker can be found all around the world. They can often in stories. Woodpecker also live in mountain and desert. Woodpecker are omnivore. Most woodpecker look for food in trees. They hammer into the bark. Then they catch larvae with their long, sticky tongue. Woodpeckers find nests in the spring. The male and female build a nest together. They take turns and sitting on the egg. They keep the egg warm. Most woodpeckers live around 8 years. 자, 그래서 책을 다 자, 여러분 어떠셨나요? 재밌었나요? 그럼 구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정까지 눌러주세요. 안 누르는 사람은 벌칙이 있습니다.
벌칙이 뭔가요?
그럼 안녕!